Meet my kitten. Yeah, she is so tiny. Oh, will you sleep? Will you sleep? Bonnie. She's called Bonnie. Bonnie, will you sleep? Yeah. Are you watching the blinds? I get her to fall asleep by doing this. Hi. My other two cats don't like her, and yesterday I was down here with my friend in the living room, and I went up to get changed, and one of my cats were just lying on my bed, back turned to Bonnie, and Bonnie was the other way, turned the other way, and her back was turned. I go to get my outfit out. I turn round and see that there was blood coming out of her eye. One of my other cats had grabbed her tear duct and there was blood coming out of her eye. Sorry if that was a bit gross, but yeah, this is my fidget ring. My mum has one too. Have matching rings. And then there's beads here. But yeah, I think she's okay now. This was yesterday. I might be a bee. I'm gonna get you. I got you. Yes, I did. Yeah, bye guys.